I don't know what to say. I'm overwhelmed. I'm humbled. I'm honored. But to be honest, I don't feel worthy of this recognition because I just do what I'm supposed to do, I guess. This isn't my honor to be recognized for because I'm just one of a team of many incredible administrators and teachers and friends who poured daily into the lives of the students here and the students in this community. And it's a blessing and an honor just to be a part of that excellent team because I don't feel as though I'm excellent on my own. I feel as though the excellence comes from them. And I'm so thankful that God has given me the opportunity to serve and perhaps to lead in whatever ways I can. And it's my prayer that my students feel my love for them because I do love them dearly. And the ones who I don't have, I hope that you know that your teachers love you because I work with them and they're my friends, and I hear them talk about how wonderful you are and how they desire what's best for you. And that just trickles down from our administration because upon coming to Southside 9 years ago, and student teaching here before that, it was evident that in the lives of our leaders, they modeled the idea of students first. We do what's right by kids and their families. And I just think that as a part of the team of this school district, if that's my goal daily, and if that's our goal daily, then we're going to do something great. And like I said, I wish I was worthy of the honor of this reward, but I'm nothing without my Lord and Savior, and I'm nothing without the support of my family and my wonderful work family who have poured into me and continue to do so daily. So, in the best way I can say, thank you, but that does not nearly speak enough to my gratitude and the feeling that I have right now. It's certainly a pleasure for me to serve, and I don't deserve this, but I'm grateful. Thank you.
Thank you.